the unboxing of the new Synology WRX560 router. Hi, my name is Neil Shan and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe below to get all the latest videos. Today in this video, we're going to go unbox the brand new WRX560. So excited to see it. So let's go through it. Firstly, the packaging. As you can see, very clean. And it's very good on the recycling, all using recycling material, which is actually amazing, which is really good. So I love that about Synology when they're looking after the environment. So there we go. Let's open it up. Okay. Wow, look at that. Very neat, very stylish, right? And let's have a look on the side. So you got the router on the left. You have a little compartment on the right. Let's have a look what's inside there. As you can see, got the power adapter, network cable, all nicely neat, and little adapter depending on your country that you're in. And as you can see, that thing rolls around a bit. One little thing would be nice if it had a little spot there which can actually decide to keep it in place. Because when you're rolling around, you actually wonder what's actually knocking around in there. It's actually because of the adapter in there. But otherwise, very nice. So we close it up, and now the main thing. As you can see, it even comes gift wrap for you, like I guess for Christmas, at the time I'm shooting this video. So let's take it out. Nicely wrapped, looks amazing. So what's inside there? Oh, found out there's a quick instruction guide inside the box as well. So here we go. It's all nicely wrapped. I'm not sure if it's going to be good environmental in that sense, but it does come out like a gift wrapping. And there it is. Here it is, the new, brand new WRX560 router. So let's go through it. Nice and neat. One thing I like about these particular ones is it doesn't have all the massive antennas. It can be nice and sleek somewhere in the corner doing its magic. It's Wi-Fi magic in that sense. It doesn't have all the antennas that look like a spider. But we'll find out how good it runs when I actually start installing it. You have your status lights, your Wi-Fi whether it's on or off, and your WAN to test how it's working. And we'll just go to the back first to see what it is. So here we go. We've got the power switch, and yeah, the DC, the power connector, your WAN network port. And the one thing I really love about this one, because I've got an MR220AC, which is the older model of this, it has got 4 network points, which was always limiting in the old one, which only had 1. So as you can see, they're even color coordinated, so it makes it a little easier. So the primary one is in blue, and then you've got your other 4 there. Now, the one thing about these new Wi-Fi 6 routers is you'll notice there is on the far left one, and then a 1 is either for dual WAN or the 2.5 gig network adapter. So if some of the new NASs have a 2.5 network adapter in there, so you can plug inside there and actually get the faster speeds instead of having the 1000. So that way there's like 2.5 times faster if you use that particular port versus the other ones, because these are all 1000 and this is 2500. So yes, if you have a NAS that is cable, or you have a switch that can handle it and your network is 2.5 gig, then that's the one to connect up with. So yes, really love that idea, and yeah, at least you can tell which is which from there. So the only other thing left is the side. So you got the WPS for some devices, Wi-Fi on and off, and the USB. So the USB is really good. I'm not sure about having it on the side, but we'll see how we go later and make it accessible. Plug a USB drive to it, and that can almost mean you can have external storage in your Wi-Fi. So you don't have a NAS in there, but it does give you like cloud storage in that sense. So you can actually go from the outside and store directly to a USB drive. One thing I do find which is really good about this is when you have your backup. If you have a USB 4G hotspot, for instance, or 5G hotspot, you can even plug your phones into that. So if your primary WAN is down, you plug your phone directly into here, it can be a hotspot for your family. That's happened a few times, and you set up as a smart WAN on your particular router here, and it will just fail over. straight over to 4G or 5G when your primary goes down. Hopefully it doesn't go down, but that's always a good thing if you ever need to plug it in there. So there you go. This is the unboxing of the Synology WRX560 router. Absolutely looks amazing. Can't wait to actually try it out and see how it actually performs against the other ones. So yes, that's it for now. Please leave a comment below. Let me know if you're going to be using this router and see what you think about it. And hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.